Tired of boring PowerPoint slides? Still wasting hours designing presentations? What if I told you there's a tool that turns your ideas into stunning slides in seconds with zero design skills needed? This is Gamma.app, the future of presentations. And today, I'm going to show you how it works, step by step. Let's unlock the magic of AI-powered storytelling. Let's get started. Once you click the link in the video description and sign in with your email, you'll be taken to this screen. Gamma will ask you, how do you plan to use Gamma? Just choose any option, work, personal, or education. It doesn't really matter. This step is just to personalize your experience. So click what suits you best and let's move forward. Once you enter, you'll see three main options in front of you. The first one is paste in text. This allows you to copy and paste any notes, outlines, or written content, and Gamma will turn it into a stunning presentation automatically. The second one, the most popular, is generate. You just write one short prompt, and Gamma will create an entire presentation from scratch. The third option is import file or URL. This lets you upload a file or paste a link, and Gamma will transform the content into a visual format. For this tutorial, we'll go with the middle option, generate, because it's fast, easy, and powerful. Let's click on it and see what happens. Now we're on the creation screen of Gamma. First, I'm going to set the number of cards to 10 instead of the default 8. This will give us a bit more room for content. Next, I'll leave the style set to default. No need to change that for now. And as for the language, it's already set to English, US, which is exactly what we want, so we'll keep it that way. Now I'll type in the topic I want to create a presentation about, and then click on Generate. Now in this box, we're going to type what we want the presentation to be about. You can write anything here. For example, the future of A, just a clear and short description of the topic. Gamma will do the rest for you. Once you're ready, just click Generate I in everyday life. Once you click Generate, Gamma will create a full outline for your topic. You can now edit any part of the outline, the text, structure, or headings. If you want to expand the content, you can add more satellites to support your ideas. Scroll down to the E section to pick a style or theme for your presentation. This is the most powerful part. Gamma fills in each card with smart content automatically. And of course, you can change anything anytime. Total flexibility. Now we're in the content section where you control how your presentation looks. First, choose how much text you want on each card. I'll go with medium for a balanced result. Then, you can set the image source. I'll keep it on AI images. Below that, you can pick the AI model used to generate the visuals. I'm using Flux Fast for quick results. Once you're happy with the settings, just hit Generate. Now the magic happens. Gamma instantly generates a full presentation, complete with a title, layout, design, and even relevant images. Everything is editable. You can change the text, update the background, swap out the images, or even add links. All of that can be done from the Edit panel on the right side. Let me show you how. This lets you quickly search for any word or phrase across your entire presentation. It's super helpful if you want to jump to a specific section. This shows you the overall structure of your presentation. You can see your main sections and how everything is organized. Here you can customize the text, change the font size, color, type, alignment, and more. Perfect for making your content look polished and clear. Use this to add new images to your slides, either from your computer, stock images, or AI-generated visuals. It makes your presentation more visually appealing. This is where you can add ready-made elements like tables, lists, layouts, or even entire blocks of content. It speeds up your workflow a lot. You can insert different types of charts like pie charts, bar charts, or line graphs. It's great for visualizing data clearly. This lets you draw freehand on your slides or add notes. It's useful for interactive sessions or highlighting key points during a live presentation. And that's it. Now you've got everything you need to start creating powerful AI-generated presentations in just seconds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions, and of course, subscribe for more awesome tools just like this one. I'll be back with more mind-blowing AI tools very soon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.